Hi guys. So I literally just a couple of days ago filmed a video dyeing my hair in this dark brown with this like money piece at the front, and like I do love it, but I'm just finding that it's like way too dark on me. Like I'm not sure, it doesn't really look that dark right here, but it's like the roots are just really dark on me, and I just don't think I can take like very dark colors. I'm like quite happy with the like lightness at the ends. If you can, like, it's not really picking up on camera, but it's like lighter on the ends and a lot darker at the roots. So I searched on YouTube removing or fading brown box dye, and what seemed to be the most effective is baking soda and developer. So I've got some baking soda, which in England is called bicarbonate of soda, not baking soda, which confused me in the shop. I was like, is this the right one? And I was trying to Google it, and there was no internet in there, and I was like, well, it's either, because I already had baking powder, and I was Googling if that could work, and it was like, no, it's got to be baking soda. And then I got to the shop and it was like bicarb of soda, and I was like, which one? So yeah, I've already got this 20 volume developer that I used to bleach my front bits. So apparently if you mix these together and put it on your hair for like half an hour, it can like fade without too much damage. So I'm gonna give it a go. So I didn't really watch in depth, I didn't really see anyone's like quantities. Get into it. There we go. I think I'm just gonna, I mean, other people seem to be doing it like fairly liquidy. I'm not really sure. So there's the baking soda, and here's the 20 volume developer. Right. Let's give that a mix and see. It smells weird. Okay, that's quite like a good bleachy mix. From other videos I watched, kind of seemed like people did more of like a liquidy mix. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more developer. Alright, I think that's quite a good mix. Alright, I've just separated out the blonde bit so that I don't get rid of that toner. Okay, and now I'm gonna just add this. Alright, all that mixture is on. It's actually very irritating on my skin. I've been like trying to wash it off like around my ears and neck because it feels like very burny, which I wasn't really expecting. Yeah, I don't really see anything happening. I'm gonna leave it on for half an hour and yeah, I can see. Okay, it's been half an hour. I don't really see any difference, but I'm gonna go wash this off and come back and let you know. Hey! What do you know, it actually worked. Oh, I'm so relieved. I love this so much better. This is kind of what I was going for in the first place, you know, like a dark blonde slash like very light brown. I don't imagine it's probably that even. I'll just give you like a bit of a 360. So yeah, I don't know if it was like all of the bicarb soda and 20 volume developer, or I also like just shampooed it a bunch of times, but like I just feel so much more comfortable like this, like not even having any makeup on. It's just like the tone is like so much better for my skin. Yeah, I love the dark, but just not on my skin tone, or just it's not like the pale. I think dark hair on pale people looks really nice. There's just something about like the colouring of my skin that it just looks too dark for me, I think. But yeah, this is perfect, and I feel like I haven't like wasted all the time I put into like dyeing it before. I've still got this nice like bleachy bit, but I just, oh, what a relief. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing this treatment. When I was doing it, I was kind of frustrated because I didn't feel like I was able to like properly saturate my hair, because it was quite like a thick mixture, and I actually ended up using all of the developer, so like I had none left anyway, and I tried like brushing it through a bit, but it's so like crusty that I didn't know. But yeah, I made sure to try and like concentrate it on my roots because that's where it was darkest. But yes, success. I hope this helps someone else, because I got this idea from people's videos on YouTube and I was so happy I did. So yeah. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.